Hello guys, so I'll show you a really good fonts app which you can use for like any kind of good fonts. First of all, subscribe to me, like the video, comment what do you want me to make next, share it to all your friends, and now I will show you the app. Settings, then go to general, go general and then go to keyboard, and see this one right here. Go to admin keyboard and now you'll see fonts. You'll see this one, fonts keyboard. See that icon right there, that emoji. Click on it and allow for access. And now write font, and here it is. Actually, you don't need to stay here anymore. Let's go to notes. Let's go to example. Let's go to font, and now see, you can see like a lot of emojis. There's lots of good like text and stuff. Actually, most are free. I know they're like, see, like there's not like a lot free, but see, like a lot of them are free as well. See, like these emojis or these, see, there's a lot of cards and then stuff like there's like so much stuff you can like find in here. So this is actually good. So that's like you can like use them and they're really good. So that is for today. I hope you like the video. Comment what do you want to make next, share it to all your friends, and now bye.